Hi guys, I'm Kenneth, Super Ken of Calhoun, and I'm going to be teaching a class today on Encapsulated Pros-Aide Prosthetics. So we've gone through the sculpting process, we've gone through the mold making process, we've gone through the casting process. What we're doing now is we're going to be actually making the Pros-Aide paste. This is probably going to be the most difficult part of the process for you, just keeping continuity with doing Pros-Aide. It can be kind of difficult because if there's just a little bit too much moisture in your Pros-Aide paste, it can completely change the color. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips that I like to do for keeping continuity. I'm also going to show you how I like to tint paste. Then we're going to move on to actually running the pieces. I want to show you how to actually make our own flashing with this. The card frames are going to act as the flashing for us. Next is the application process. Everything else is just going to be applying the actual makeup. Brows are going to go on, and then she's going to put the contacts in, put the wig on, and we're going to be done. So it's going to be a lot of fun today. That's what it's all about, I guess. Makeup to me is about innovation and having fun, so that's all that we're going to do. We're just going to play.